Hello, welcome to Academiq AI. Do you find it hard to shorten long texts while keeping the main idea the same? Well, in this video, we will introduce you to the tool named Text Shortener AI tool. It is a convenient tool which is designed to help you create concise versions of your content, making it perfect for any usage, for social media posts, for sharing, for briefing, for emails, or for any space limited writing. Right now, to get started, you have to find this tool named Text Shortener. Now, once you find it, you have to click on it, and all that you have to do is you have to write the original text, the lengthy text. Right now, here is a lengthy text that I found. It's a story of the thirsty crow, and I do not want it to be this much big. I want it to be crisp and concise. That is it. Now I have pasted that story here, and I'm going to click on generate, and within seconds I will have the concise, streamlined text ready to be shared. And here we are. I hope you can see how it has, just concised it and made it, crisp. Yes? Great. So I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Try the text shortener tool today at Academiq AI and make your writing, your communication more efficient. Happy writing and happy learning.